Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I do a classy belly bun with a donut. You need 2 hair ties, you need a donut or a bun maker, and I'm using these pins that are not bobby pins, perhaps hair clips, hair pins, whatever. Let me know down below in the comment how you call them. For this hairstyle that I actually did for a ballet school in Germany, we were looking for a bun that is on the height of the ear because they are wearing for their show some crowns, something like this. So the bun was actually next to the ears, the part that was holding the crown. So we are doing a ponytail there where we want our bun to sit, so it's not too high, not too low, just right in the middle of the back of the head. Then we are taking the bun maker, our donut, bring it over the base of the ponytail, use some of these hairpins to fix the donut. And now you're going to split the ponytail into 2 halves. If you're doing it on a live model, not on a mannequin, you can ask them to bring down the head. That makes it much easier. Bring the hair in the same portions around the donut. Use another hair tie to fix it. And now we are going to just twist the remaining hair, that can be shorter or longer, around the base of this bun. So just give it a twist, wrap it around. And now I'm taking the pins, the hair pins, and I'm taking you see, from the bun to the head, and I'm covering mostly the hair that I wrapped around. I'm using here, because it's for a ballet show and we don't want any hair to stick out, a hairnet. You can find these hairnets in the color of the hair. I used a darker one so that you can see it, because the blonde one you barely see. And also this net has to be fixed with bobby pins, and you see that I'm pulling everything down around the edges. Also the donut you see in different colors, so, or you find in different colors, so that one won't see it. I hope you like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel. We are uploading 2 to 3 videos every week, so hope you enjoyed it. See you back soon. Bye bye.